you how to play Mia and Sebastian's theme from the La La Land soundtrack, but only the really easy part that you can use to impress people. Okay, so here's your middle C. You wanna, it'll sound like this. So I'm gonna show you how to do it first. And then you pretty much just run that back over and over again, and loop it, and then people will be like, wow, that person's so good at piano. Okay, so breaking it down. You start off with this black key on your thumb right here, and you hit that, and then you use your middle finger to hit the black key, not one to the right of it, but two to the right of it, so it goes like, and then you just drop that finger next to the pinky finger on it too. I guess it's also next to the middle finger, but yeah, that's okay. And then you want to pinky finger that white key to the right of the key that you just touched, and it goes and like that. And then you just bring it on back, same keys, and instead of hitting this black key, you want to hit the white key to the right of it. So it goes like this. And then, we just go right back. And then hit it again. And just do that, a couple times. And then we want to make it do the little high part. So we have to go right here with our pinky finger. And then the key next to it. And then rock on this black key. Back. And then back. And then just hop up an octave and do the same thing. Don't forget the rocky part. And when you come back after doing the rocky part, you hit this key, the one that was the C down here. I guess it might still be a C up here with how octaves work and stuff, but that's neither here nor there. So there you go. And just do that over and over again. When you're done with this side, you come back here. When you're done with this side, you come back here. And everyone will be like, wow, you're so good at piano. And all right, I guess outro time. I love learning piano.